Alright, this is a slight instructional video for the hp22 Phoenix Arms. How to take the barrel out of barrel housing. I got my barrel here. I already have it out, as you can see. But first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a 1/16 hole punch. And that's to take the barrel pin out of there, which mine's already out, but it's real simple. Put it in there like so, and you punch the barrel pin out. Pretty simple. I got this made up for that because I do it so often now. The other thing is you have to manufacture or make, this is a brass bolt, 3 inches long, 25, quarter-inch thick. And the thing you're gonna have to do is first you're gonna have to put it in your drill press, and you're gonna have to file the head down to 10 millimeters or a little bit smaller than 10 millimeters, because that's the size of the barrel inside the sleeve. And do that, and then you're gonna have to file down these two sides so it will not hit the feed ramp in there, which I'm gonna have to show you in a sec here. Okay, I get the it's a little bit off. Yeah, there we go, perfection. And of course, this is gonna have to be milled down. Same idea with the drill press. It's a 25, so you gotta get down to under 22, or 20 to 22, I guess you'd say. And you put it in there, and then you gotta to do it like so. And that is, see, now it's 10 millimeters, and it's not gonna hit that feed ramp, and that's important. And then of course you have this, and then got 10 millimeter hole. That's a 3 inch. That's 5 inch. 5 inch is a little different because it doesn't have the extension on it. That's why we're doing this. And then you put it in there, and then you use, however you want to do it. I use this and a small hammer, and I tap it. But it just fell through though, of course. And you tap it, and it's going to be hard to tap it. You have to hit it really hard until it gets about that far through, because of this on the barrel. It's I don't know what to say. I already have it sanded from sandpaper down, but it's I don't know. It's like it's I don't know. It's there to keep that. It makes it hard to come through, but when that comes through, you'll get it out. But normally that would not go back in. It's, I don't know how to explain what it is, but yeah, that's how you got to do it. And that's the main thing you got to be careful of, is you got to make sure you don't hit that feed ramp. Hit your feed ramp, you're gonna have a bad day. But that's pretty much it. And then of course, when you take the barrel out, it's gonna look a little rusty. Almost all the barrels are gonna be a little rusty from being in there. And you put it in a drill press, and you have fine sandpaper, sand it down, turn it around, sand it down. Make sure you sand the edges of this really good. Oh, it's not gonna slide in and out of the barrel good. That edge there has to be smoothed down. And then of course, smooth that down. See, that's nice and smooth now. And then I guess that's pretty much it. And then that's the disassembly of the barrel. And then you have to do all the other steps. But I just wanted to do this because people seem to ask me this a lot, and I'm tired of putting it in a text message how to do all that. But all right, that's that right there. Thank you.